get the engineer, mechanic come and look at it. The engine is not
going to Terengganu.
So if I buy that, I need to come out with 5,000-6,000 more.
Hi guys, we're here at Terengganu.
Then we can
So guys, hi guys, we're at Terengganu Beach.
Terengganu Beach.
It's Terengganu Beach, huh?
By the way to the camera. What's it?
What's it?
They say you pull this one, damage, that damage.
Oh, no buying a kite, huh?
Yes, no buy.
Ooh.
Hi guys, we're at
We're at what? Where? So guys, nandito na kami sa Terengganu. I don't know what is the name of this beach. Pero nandoon lang sa likod. Doon sa likod yung hotel namin. So later, Eugene will swim here. So guys, yan. Daming store di stall. No, it's in the car. Later, we go to the hotel first. And it's so hot. It's so dark now. Eugene! Good morning, sunshine. Bag siya, guys. Ayan. So, ito ang aming hotel. Ayan, nakita niyo yung veranda dyan. Diyan kami naka-stay. Good morning, guys. Come here. Take off your slipper na.
guys.
We are at this place. Intan Beach.
Help me.
Terengganu.
Go get it. Yay.
Wow guys, it's more clear here. Mas maganda ang water dito. Look, malinis siya. Kesa sa Port Dickson, ang daming itim-itim. The wave is so strong. So guys, this is our life. Si Habi at saka yung mga friend niya. Nagbo-boat fishing kagabi pa. Hanggang hindi pa nauwi.
Oh, catch you every time.
So, Simba, always watching Mufasa. So, what do you think now? Don't go. Okay, here is enough. Don't go so far. Because it's a little bit deeper here. Maybe high tides. Guys, nandito kami sa Terengganu. Sinama-sama kami dito ni Habi kasi nagano siya. Nag-fishing siya ng mga kasama niya. Squid fishing. Tingnan beach dito. Diba? Ang ganda. Ooh, white beach yan. Kanina ko pa yung ginigising, ayaw niya. Mga 7. Ngayon magna 9 na. Saka palang bumangon. Baby, don't go so far there, okay? Siya lang nga nagsiswimming. Wala akong nakita nagsiswimming. Bakit kaya? Ayan. Negro na naman yan. Hindi na talaga bumalik yung kulay niya. At laging nasa dagat. Baby, you try to swim.
Number 2 is Terengganu, yeah, cheaper.
Use the left 2 lanes to take the exit toward TMN.
Tirangano fishing. Wow, fishing squid. Oh, it's so big. This one is different kind of squid. Let's go for the squid feed first. Wow, I get it. Oh, 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 and then the fish. We have this one, and the mackerel. This mackerel, right? This is some kind of mackerel. Oh, shit. Wow, it's so big. Squid and mackerel. But we got this one. This one is the biggest squid, guys. Wow. So big one. So big. The end. Please like and subscribe, guys. See you again.